Headline hat. I feel like we need like a chant. Headline hat. Headline hat. That was your mic does it way better.
You got to go right on top of the headline.
Apple folder wallet.
Well, this isn't a headline as much as a random thing we recently discovered.
It's an Apple product, so of course there are 50 headlines of it. So
wait, is
it's
it? It's an official Apple product?
No.
No.
Oh,
No. But
It looks like one though.
yes.
that is so cute.
Did you guys look at this yet?
No.
Or did you see it online?
I saw in the notes Apple folder wallet, and I was like, I knew exactly.
Okay, so
I saw Brandon's video on it.
for audio listeners and people who haven't seen this yet, someone, I believe I have his name here. Hold on. Nick Bentel created a wallet that looks exactly like an untitled folder or any folder, I guess, on Mac OS.
Pretty fire.
It's really good. It is like spot on. It can hold 4 to 8 cards or something, 3 to 6 cards. I don't know how many. It's nice, soft. It's great leather. It's hand stitched. It's one of those things where you're like, how did nobody think of this before?
Yeah.
Are you guys looking at Brandon's ID?
All right, so second trivia question. What are all 12 digits of Brandon's?
Driver's license number?
I was going to say credit cards, but I will also accept driver's license or social security.
I was actually going to say this is a pretty cool indicator of how long it's been since Apple's. Well, they've never changed the color of the folder in macOS.
No.
So it's been an iconic light blue color since the beginning, and they haven't changed it, and that allows this physical product to be just as iconic as that color.
They changed the pitch translation over time. It used to be like slightly leaning forward.
Oh, yeah. Like open a little more.
To like more skeuomorphic stuff, and now it's like flat.
Now it's like, yeah, totally flat.
But like the wallet itself is 2 different shades of blue because the front of it is like highlighted and there's supposed to be a shadow in the background. Like this is a really cool wallet. It's just a little bigger. I mean, for anyone out, I have no idea who this Nick guy is. Brandon ordered it because he saw it and it was cool and he made a video if you want to go look at Brandon's video. But like,
yeah, should make a studio video about it.
This is one of those things for $50. This is like, this is such a good gift for your Apple nerd.
I don't know how it's going to age. That's my only concern is it's so soft.
Bro, your Mac OS folders don't have patina on them?
I'm just shilling for the Trove wallet right now because I've had
well, we have to show the Trove wallet because you have to pay for that iPhone.
So I've had the Trove wallet for literally like 4 years, and it looks fantastic.
Yes.
And obviously leather is great, and people love leather wallets, and they patina over time. But this is vegan leather, right? So it's not necessarily going to wear the same way. So that's my only concern. But it is really soft, and if you only have like 4 to 6 cards, like that's great.
It's like a really fun gift. I actually would find more people probably buying this to like put on their desk somewhere.
I don't
or on
have
a
that
shelf.
many cards, but I have other stuff that I end up having to put in my wallet.
You are igniting like a month's old argument between Adam and I. Adam went through and actually bought me a wallet because he hated seeing my fat full of old gift cards wallet. Like,
yeah. I only have 2 credit cards, my personal card and the business card. But then I also have to have my ID/driver's license. I have the door key at the studio, which is a card, and the card key for the Tesla, which is a backup in case my phone key doesn't work. Which means I should also have the Rivian one in case that doesn't work too, because sometimes it just doesn't work. And I also realized I have my health insurance card. And so I only have 2 credit cards.
You're missing the most important card.
What is the most? Oh my! I don't carry my
Costco card. You always have to have your Costco card on you. You never know when a Costco trip could be.
That's fair,
bro. You're driving down the road and you're just like, I could go for a chicken bacon.
So you know what I have? That's fair.
Glizzy
for the food, really.
$1.50 glizzy.
I have my. What I have is I put a Tesla third-party drawer accessory.
Okay.
And I took one of those out and I have it on my kitchen counter, and it's got my like pocket knife, my keys, a pen, a SIM card ejector, paper clip, just like a bunch of basic stuff. And it has my Costco card and things that I use sometimes.
I feel like the Costco card should default in your Rivian because you need that room for the toilet paper.
Just as much. I don't know. Yeah.
It's not a Costco trip unless the trunk of your truck is overflowing
completely
with
full.
Fun-sized bags of Doritos.
Damn, they sell a 50-gallon drum of Dawn dish soap.
Nothing less.
Need that.
Nothing less.
But yeah, Apple Wallet, great gift.
It's pretty cool.
It looks pretty cool. $50, but it has a 5-week wait time, so that's a little tough. But I think $50 for a vegan leather wallet that's like hand stitched.
Order a couple now and maybe give them out for the holidays.
Solid choice.
Or just get one of the Trove wallets like now.
Yeah, you can get a Trove wallet way faster.
Yeah, just saying.
I definitely didn't put this headline in so we could shill our own product.
I managed to shoehorn that one in there.
Good job.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for watching this clip. We should just continue pulling headlines real quick. This one says, subscribe now. Makes sense. I feel like that's a pretty good thing to do.
I don't want to disobey
what are the rest
that.
of these? What do the rest of these say? I'm gonna pick this one right here. It says like button. Well, that's a given.
What should you do to the like button?
Well, yeah, just some clarity on that. What do we do to the like button? Pummel.
What?
It says pummel. One word. So I guess pummel the like button. Probably. Anything else in here? One more. It says thanks for watching. Oh, that's nice. See you guys later.